I'm going to show you how to make a great Chinese classic dish. Sweet and sour pork. Ku lao you. It is made up of small pieces of meat in a crust, fresh pineapple chunks, all coated in a delicious sweet and sour sauce. Start by marinating the meat. Cut 10 ounces of pork into 1-inch thick slices. Make small cuts on both sides. This helps the meat absorb the marinade better and makes it more tender after cooking. Then, cut the meat into pieces and put them in a mixing bowl. Cut 1/4 of a pineapple into chunks. And chop a small piece to add to the marinade. Pineapple contains enzyme that tenderizes the meat by breaking down the fibers. Be careful not to leave to sit for too long, or the meat will become too soft. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix and let sit while preparing the other ingredients. Cut into pieces 1/4 of red bell pepper, 1/4 of yellow bell pepper, 1/4 of green bell pepper, 2 small onions, 1 green onion. Put the white part with the onions, and 10 cherry tomatoes cut in half. Chop 1 garlic clove and grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. To make the sweet and sour sauce, in a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/3 cup of water. Combine. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Heat the frying oil. Mix 1 egg white with the meat. Then mix with half cup of cornstarch. When the oil is hot, about 340 degrees, add the meat pieces one by one. Fry them for about 7 minutes over medium-high heat. Occasionally stir. Separate the pieces stuck together. When they are golden, remove them and place them on the rack. Preheat the pan over high heat. When the pan is hot, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the garlic and ginger. Stir, and after a few seconds, when the nice aroma rises, add the onion and stir for 10 seconds. Add the bell peppers, the pineapple, and the tomatoes, and stir for 1 minute. Add the sweet and sour sauce and stir occasionally for 3 minutes. Add the diluted cornstarch and stir for 15 seconds. Add the meat pieces and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir for 10 seconds to coat the meat pieces with the sauce. Add the green part of the green onion. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The sweet and sour pork is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Everyone will enjoy this dish for the contrast in flavors and textures. The slightly tangy sweetness of the sauce and the pineapple, the crunch of the vegetables, and the flavors of the meat pieces. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.